Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. So, wherever we are in the world today, we shall be studying the EAR sounds and the ARE sounds in the English language. Today, I have for you the 4-letter words, as you can see here, and also easy to remember and study well, dears. So let's begin. EAR are the air sounds. Bear, pear, there, tear. Bear, pear, there, tear. Now here also we have the EAR at the end of the word, but these other words are the ear sounds. Same end spelling as you can see here, EAR, the air sounds. But for these few words, we have the ear sounds. For example, rear, near, fear, here, dear. Once more, rear, near, fear, here, dear. Now we have the air sounds. The spelling is A-R-E at the end, as you can see, but they are spelled as air. Care, dare, hair, mare, rare. Care, dare, hair, mare, rare. So these are some 4-letter words, as you can see. Let's study once more. EAR are the air sounds. Bear, bear, pear, pear, there, tear, tear, rear, near, fear, here, dear, A-R-E, air sounds. Care, dare, hair, mare, rare. Hope you study well, dear. It's very easy to study and remember. And don't forget the spellings. Thank you for watching. Once we're brought to you live from Sana. Bye-bye.